Welcome. I'm Jen Thatcher, and I will be one of your hosts for the first-time homebuyer class in Maricopa, Arizona. This is going to be held at this beautiful model home. Meritage was very kind to allow us to have this home to be able to hold the class, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And yes, there will be an opportunity to tour some homes afterwards if you're game. What exactly is this class about? How do you go from the thought of, I want to be a homeowner in your head, to moving in to your very first home? It's about answering all of your questions and getting all of the information that you need to help you make your decision of home ownership. It's about educating you on the entire process, about what's new as far as how do you qualify for a home, what's required of you as far as money and the process. Everything from getting pre-qualified from your home loan. Yes, there will be a lender that will be on site. No pressure, just questions and answers. We'll go through appraisals and home inspections and negotiations and asking for repairs and home warranties and how does the entire process work? Well, that's what we're going to talk about, and I hope to see you there. I am very excited to meet you, and please bring all of your questions, your concerns, anything that we can help you with. We will do our best to get them answered. In addition to all of the great information, you're going to walk away with a nice little swag bag. How exciting is that? Everybody loves a swag bag. At least I love a swag bag. So I think that's why I give them out. And I'm going around to some local businesses, and I'm going to see if I can get some gift cards to raffle off to all of the pre-registered attendees. So please make sure that you register at the Eventbrite registration for our event on September 28th, 10 a.m. till noon. And let's find out. Let's do it.